Today, we're diving into the latest update for Facebook Messenger, sending photos in glorious HD. No more pixelated pictures, just crisp and clear images for all your messaging needs. So, let's jump right in. Make sure you have the most recent version of the Messenger app downloaded. Updates usually roll out gradually, so if you don't see the HD feature yet, don't worry. It should be available to you soon. Launch the Facebook Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Navigate to a conversation where you want to send the high-definition photo. Tap on the photo icon in the Chat Composer window. This will open your device's photo gallery. You will see the HD icon. Tap on it and select the image you want to send in HD resolution. Once you've chosen your photo, simply tap the Send button. Messenger will now upload and send the image in high definition. Also, you are able to send multiple photos. You can enable HD for each photo individually by following the same steps. Messenger will display an HD badge on the photo thumbnail in the chat to indicate it was sent in high resolution. Remember, sending HD photos uses more data than standard quality. Make sure you're on a Wi-Fi connection if data usage is a concern. That's all there is to it. Now you can share your high-resolution photos with friends and family on Facebook Messenger. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials.